Craving something crunchy but still keto-friendly? Forget the chips, because today I'm showing you the most delicious keto snack you can make in just minutes. All you need is shredded cheese. That's it, one ingredient. Cheddar gives a bold flavor, mozzarella makes it stretchy, and Parmesan makes it super crispy.
Scoop small piles of cheese onto a baking sheet, flatten them slightly, and pop them in the oven at 375 degrees
for 5 to 7 minutes. Watch closely. They go from melty to crisp fast. And just like that, you've got crispy, salty, crunchy cheese crisps.
So there you have it, the easiest, most delicious keto snack you can make in minutes. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button